Hello, first graders. Today is Wednesday, August 26th, and I would like to show you how to do our Canvas math assignments today. The very first thing you need to do is log into your Canvas. After you're at your Canvas, you'll click on the blue button for math, and you'll go to the home page. On this home page, you'll scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and you'll look for the round button that says Enter Here, and click on it. All right, on the calendar page, we are going to look for August 26th, which has a grape. So today we're going to be looking for the grape for our assignment. Once we get there, we'll click on the green box. And here we are on lesson 1-3. And all of these things are the assignments for today. Today we'll do a solve and share, a try this, visual learning bridge, a convince me, we'll do practice, we'll do workshop, and then you'll submit page 15, and then you'll be done. All right, let's get started and look at all of it. First of all, you'll look at your overview. For your overview, we have the family letter, if you would like to read that. Okay, today you will complete lesson 1-3. We'll do the solve and share, try this, visual learning bridge, convince me, practice, and math workshop. When you're done reading that, you'll click Next. And here's our solve and share. You'll scroll down until you see the virtual math classroom. You'll click on the video to watch the solve and share. Remember, if you want it to get bigger, there's a little box down here to make it bigger. Or you can spread your fingers on the screen and make it bigger as well. All right, once you listen to the solve and share, you can scroll down and you can use the counters or the connecting cubes in case you don't have them at home. Or you can use the counters and the tens frame. Once you have an answer, you'll come down to the bottom, you'll click reply, and you will put your answer in the box. You'll click and put your answer in the box. Once your answer is in the box, you'll press post reply. After you posted your reply, you'll click next. And now it's time to move on to try this. You can click the blue arrow box in order to hear the problem. The problem says there are 6 flowers. There is a red vase and a yellow vase. How many flowers can be in each vase? So you have a tens frame down here to help you and counters. Once you know the answer, you can click reply and then you'll write your answer, type your answer in the box. Once your answer is in the box, you'll click post reply and then you'll click next. And now we're moving on to the visual learning bridge. You'll scroll down till you see the virtual math classroom. You'll look at the whiteboard and you'll click on the video. And she's going to go over the virtual learning bridge lesson. Again, if you want it bigger, you can click on the box down here, or you can take your fingers and spread them apart to make it bigger. Once you're done listening to the lesson, you can scroll down here and there's a visual reminder of the lesson. And then you'll click Next. The next activity you're going to do is called Convince Me. So you'll scroll down, and if you would like to hear the question read to you, you'll press the play. The question says, with 7 penguins, could 4 be in the cave and 4 be outside the cave? Why or why not? Boys and girls, you can use the tens frame to help you, or you can draw a picture of that story. Once you have told someone why or why not, you can press the play button. And then you'll click Next. The next activity is your 1-3 practice. You will scroll down. For the 1-3 practice, you can see, first of all, the directions. So if you want to hear them, again, you can press the blue box. These questions are designed to help you practice content learning during today's lesson. You can use the tools linked below, the pictures, or your tools to help you. So we have the tens frame and the counters. We have the connecting cubes. And we're ready to take the quiz. So you'll click Take the Quiz. You'll scroll down to number 1. To hear the question, you can press the blue box. 9 groundhogs. Some are underground and some are above ground. Which equation could show some groundhogs are underground and some above ground? Here you have your connecting cubes. Once you know the answer, you can use the connecting cubes counters, the tens frame. You can draw a picture. Here are your choices. Once you know the answer, you'll click on it, click on the bubble, and then you'll click Next. And you'll move on to question number 2. To hear the question, the directions, you can press play. We'll scroll down to question number 2. To hear the question, you'll press the blue box. 6 leaves on a tree, some are yellow and some are green. Which equation shows one way to add 6 leaves? So here are some cubes to help you. You can use your math tools as well or draw a picture. Once you know the answer, you'll click the answer, the bubble, and then you'll click Next. And we're moving on to question number 3. I'm going to scroll down till I get to number 3. You can click the blue box to hear the question. The question says, there are 7 frogs. Some are on a log and some are in the grass. How many could be on the log and how many could be in the grass? You'll use your tools to answer the question, and once you know the answer, you'll choose. Click the bubble that best shows your answer. After you have an answer, click Next. Now we're on question number 4. You'll scroll down to question number 4. If you want to hear the question again, you'll press the blue box. There are 8 butterflies. Some are flying and some are sitting on a flower. How many could be flying and how many could be sitting on a flower? You'll use your tools to solve the problem. Once you have the problem solved, look at the answer choices and find the one that matches your answer. Click on the bubble that matches your answer, then click Next for the last question. Question 5, you'll scroll down to question 5. You'll press the blue box to hear the question. Joe had a total of 7 friends at his house. Some were girls and some were boys. How many could be girls and how many could be boys? You can use the cubes to help you. You can use your own tools to help you as well. Once you know the answer, you're going to find it on the list right here. Find the answer that matches your answer and click on the bubble. Once you've completed all 5 questions, you will click Submit Quiz. And your screen will show you how well you did. Then you'll click Next to move on to Math Workshop. Today in Math Workshop, you will do workbook pages 14, 15, and 16 in your math workbook. You'll also work on Dreambox for 20 minutes. And you'll click on the word fluency right here and watch the video. Once you've completed all 3 activities in Math Workshop, you'll click Next. And on this page, boys and girls, you will submit workbook page 15. That's the only page I need to see. You'll click the Submit Assignment button and you'll go through the steps. You'll choose the camera. When the camera opens, you'll take a picture of the page. Then you'll click this blue Submit at the top of the box. You will know it is finished uploading when you see the confetti. There's also a video right here that you can play to show you how to submit the workbook page. Once you're done submitting the workbook page, you'll click Next. And boys and girls, congratulations! Amazing work! You finished your lesson for today. Way to go, boys and girls!